Run System File Checker, SFC, and DISM corrupted system files could be contributing to the BSOD error. You can use the System File Checker, SFC tool, and DISM, Deployment Imaging Service and Management tool, to repair corrupted or missing system files. Step 1. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Press Windows + X, then select Command Prompt, Admin, or Windows PowerShell, Admin. Step 2. Run the SFC tool by typing sfc/scano and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete and fix any detected issues. Step 3. Run the DISM tool to check for further system corruption. DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Wait for the process to complete, then restart your computer. Check for Windows updates. Microsoft may release patches that could resolve this issue if it's caused by a bug in the operating system. Go to Settings, greater than Update and Security, greater than Windows Update. Click Check for Updates and install any available updates. Restart your computer after updating. Update or rollback drivers. Outdated or incompatible drivers can cause BSOD errors. You may need to update or roll back the relevant drivers to resolve the issue. Step 1. Open Device Manager by pressing Windows + X and selecting Device Manager. Step 2. Look for any drivers with a yellow exclamation mark, particularly under display adapters, network adapters, or security devices. Step 3. Right-click on the device, and if an update is available, select Update Driver. If the error started after a recent driver update, you can try rolling back the driver. Right-click on the device, select Properties, then go to the Driver tab and click Rollback Driver. Hardware check. If the problem persists even after performing all the software-related fixes, it might be a hardware issue. In this case, you should check your RAM and hard drive for issues. Step 1. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic by searching for it in the Start menu and following the instructions to check for RAM issues. Step 2. Check your hard drive by running CE.BASE.sys. Open Command Prompt Admin and type CE.BASE.sys/F and press Enter. Restart your computer to allow CE.BASE.sys to scan and repair any disk issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the ACE.BASE.sys BSOD error in Windows 10/11. If the problem persists after trying all of the above solutions, you might want to contact Microsoft support or the manufacturer of your antivirus software for further assistance.